Hi everyone, myself Geet and welcome to my channel. Today is 5th of June and today we celebrate our World Environment Day. Environment. Are we really serious about our environment? Yes, there are people who work for our environment and we also should be one of them. We can save our earth in daily basis like planting trees, saving water, using less plastic and keeping our environment clean. Avoid taking cars and bikes as much as possible. Instead, use cycles to control air pollution. Our environment plays an important role in our life. It gives us food, water, shelter, air. But what do we give it back? Nothing. But at least we can save, we can protect what we have gotten for free. Think about our future generations. I have heard many people talking about earning money and buying properties for their child's future. But more than any money and any property, saving our earth, our environment for our future generations is much more important. Our government conducts many schemes and programs to save our environment and awaken the people's responsibilities towards their surroundings and nature. With the massive arrival of natural disaster, different types of weather patterns and global warming has become an undisputed fact about our current livelihoods. Our planet is warming up and we definitely a part of this problem. Actually, we are facing these environment problems every day in our life. Now we can experience those cyclones too. Now talking about myself, I live in a small village in Maharashtra. My father is a farmer. Last year we got very little rain and in winter season we didn't even feel cold. I remember I didn't put on sweater even a single day. We started planting trees all around our house. Now we have different kinds of trees and plants everywhere. The most important thing is organic farming. We should practice and try organic farming. In organic farming, the use of pesticides and chemicals are minimized. And the air, water, soil are not even polluted. So, we get a healthy and nutritious crop which is good for our health and gives us immunity, increases our immunity to fight any disease. Environment is nobody's property to destroy. It's everybody's responsibility to protect. These are the words said by Mohit Agadi. We must stop mistreating our planet and start planting trees, save water and try to use less natural resources. Ashakyam prakrute rute jivanam. There is no life without nature.